love bugs. So as I was editing this video, I realized I completely forgot to film an intro. So this is the intro to this video. I'm sorry, it's got to be short and sweet so I can finish editing. But this is a Instagram controls my life video, so I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so I asked you love bugs on Instagram, what type of makeup do you want me to do today? I said natural, which is basically just like natural but not natural, or if you wanted full on glam mode. And of course 57% of you said glam and 43% of you said natural. So glam mode 1. This isn't going to be a tutorial because this isn't a makeup tutorial, but I am going to show you like what I'm doing, but I'm not going to like walk you through it step by step, kind of show you what products I'm using, stuff like that. But you will see the type of glam that I am going to go for today. So let's get started. I have my vanilla iced coffee right here from McDonald's. Give me the energy that I need today. And also, if you hear noise in the background, it's my air. Because since this isn't a makeup tutorial, I didn't turn it off because I don't want to be sweating right now, especially since this should be quick. Okay, so I already did this eye just so everything can move along quickly. So let me start on this eye now. Guys, this is actually a Makeup Geek shadow, and I haven't used Makeup Geek in forever. I remember when like Makeup Geek was seriously like all anybody was using. I'm actually playing with a lot of palettes that I haven't used in forever. And now I'm kind of seeing why I haven't used them in forever. Because this stuff is kind of hard to work with. But I already started, so it's like I'm not going to start over. It's like it just looks patchy, and I'm really having to start like digging into the palettes to mess with it. This is actually the Morphe 35B, which I think they discontinued, right? I'm trying to figure out if I even want to keep like going with this. Ugh, but I don't want to start over. I'm going to make it work. Maybe some eyeliner can help this look. Okay, so I'm still not in love with the shadow, like it's still kind of bothering me, but I put on eyeliner, so it kind of helped it a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and move on before I literally lose my mind over this. It's whatever. But now I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier foundation primer. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Mate Foundation. And I know this isn't a tutorial, and like I said, I wasn't going to be telling y'all all the products, but this foundation is bomb as fuck. If you don't have it, you need it. It's so freaking good. And normally I hate matte foundation, so it's saying a lot. Guys, can you believe I used to do my eyeshadow, like, I used to just leave it like this. I didn't know, like, you were supposed to, like, match the bottom of your eye to the top of your eye. Alright, now that I'm finished with that bomb freaking foundation, let's move on to concealer. Moving on to concealer. My Wet n Wild concealer. And you know what's crazy? I think this, like, challenge is just, like, bad luck for makeup, because I was watching Arnell do it on her channel. I love Arnell and Alyssa so much, like so much. But oh, actually, funny story, I met them when I went to Palm Springs with NYX. Well, I didn't meet them. I kind of met Arnell when she was like outside on the balcony of the hotel, and I was literally walking and I look up and I see her and I just start freaking out, and I was like, hi, like screaming at her, like completely fangirl. I couldn't help it. Like, I just love them so much. And anyway, she was super nice, and I was watching her do the Instagram Controls My Life for the day, and when she was doing her makeup, like, she was having a lot of trouble with like her bronzer and stuff like that. So I think this is just like a cursed challenge. I mean, that's at least what I'm gonna tell myself to feel better about this like mess on my eyes. I mean, it's not bad. I think it's just the shadows I use, like they just weren't as good as like the shadows I'm used to using now. So I'm like, what the fuck? This is so pretty. This is the Brittney-Kay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Overdrive. So pretty. Come through bottom eyeshadow. Wow, that pencil seriously just like made me fall in love with this look. Oh my god, my eyes look so brown. My eyes look so brown. I wonder if green like makes my eyes pop. I don't know if you can see it, but I see it right now and they look so brown. Like normally my eyes look like black, and right now they look brown, like actually brown. I literally got eyeshadow all over my bed, but what's new? The power of lashes. Your eyeshadow doesn't look that good? Lashes. Your eyeliner's kind of messed up? Lashes. You ain't got no real lashes? Lashes. I mean, like, you just can't go wrong. Okay, and now I'm just putting on my new favorite lip gloss, which is the Laura Mercier Opal. My fave. So good. And I always mix it with the LA Girl lip liner in Flesh. Perfect combo. Perfect combo. Alright, love bugs, so I asked y'all how I should do my hair today, and 76% of y'all said curly, so I need to hurry up and curl this hair because it is not looking cute, guys. Alright, so I am just gonna quickly curl my hair. Guys, no joke. Like, I'm so freaking jittery right now because of that freaking iced coffee. Like, it's not even funny how jittery I am. If my hair looks kind of curled already, it's because I had curled it yesterday, so it's still kind of curled from yesterday, but not curled enough. Yeah, I'm like so jittery. Like, I feel like I need to like go run a lap, and I can't right now. So I'm just like shaking my leg really hard because I need some type of movement. I probably should not have drank an iced coffee before I'm going to be sitting in place for like 3 hours. But I'm going to try to do this super quick. Normally it really doesn't take me that long to curl my hair. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. Alright, little bugs, I'm back now, and I asked you guys how should I dress today, and 51% of you said dress up. So I'm wearing this beautiful emerald colored dress from OOTD Fash. I absolutely love this. I know so many people were like obsessed over the Selena dress. I'm actually really surprised it took me this long to try this on. This is my first time wearing it, and it's crazy because I didn't think I would be dressed up today, because on the poll it was like 50-50 for a long time. Like, casual dress was winning, and then it was 50-50, and then casual was winning, and then it was 50-50, but finally y'all ended it as dressed up, so I am dressed up. So next I asked you guys where should I eat, which is what I'm about to go do because I literally haven't eaten all day, and I said it between Wingstop or In-N-Out, and 55% of you said Wingstop and 45% of you said In-N-Out. So I'm gonna go dress like this to Wingstop, and I will see you guys there.
No. Yes, I just want lemon pepper. I can add.
Why don't you just get 6?
Okay, 6.
Bone in or boneless?
Bone in.
And what flavor?
Lemon pepper.
We're at Wingstop. My dress matches the aesthetic because everything's green. We're waiting on our food. She said it was gonna be like 18 minutes, so yeah. I'm starving. Never again will I drink iced coffee on an empty stomach. I'm seriously like jittery.
Is this like a mukbang? A mukbang?
Okay, so we just got done eating Wingstop. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. Like, just instant sweat when you walk outside. Sorry, I'm so close. I'm trying to open my door. Now, I asked you, love bugs, where me and my mom should go, like, shopping at. And I said between TJ-MAXX or Ross. Just simply because, like, those are kind of the best stores, like, around where I live. And they just have so much for cheap. Like, hello. And so, 67% of y'all said TJ-MAXX. So, where are we going, Mom?
TJ-MAXX.
TJ-MAXX.
This one, right?
Yeah, that one's way cuter. Okay, so my mom found this for when we travel to like keep all our shampoos, conditioners, soaps, body wash, stuff like that. And I found this cute baby like sky blue wallet. So say we're doing good.
Yeah.
Look how cute this mint green rug is. So cute. We already have a full basket. I'm gotta go try some stuff on before we make any commitments. Oh my god, should I look at stuff for Noah? Look how cute that is. It's way too hot to wear this long sleeve. Oh, that's so cute. see. Let's see. Look at these little Nike sweats. Oh my god, TJ has them for $10. Okay, I think I'm gonna get them. Should not have come here. Why did y'all bring me here? Oh no, the gray ones. Which ones do you like more for Noah? The black or the gray? Probably the gray ones, right? Because the black might fade.
Yeah.
So get the gray Nike ones.
And if he's 3, oh, you get him.
Yeah, I'm getting him 14.
Okay.
So that he can grow into them.
Yeah.
And I'll have them for longer. Why are all these like long sleeves? I love this. Okay, so I found these black Adidas shorts. Super cute for when I go to the gym. And then I got these shorts. I thought these would be perfect for vacation if they do fit. I love the like gold on it. Super cute. And these are only $7.99. And then I found these silver, super cute like metallic shorts, which are also only $7.99.
Her name is Destiny.
Right? Yes, she actually voted on the poll, guys.
Yes, I did.
She's the reason I'm here. Spending all this money. I also got these Converse just because I literally only have heels and sandals. Like I don't have any type of tennis shoe, like nothing. And then I ended up deciding to get this for Noah. How cute is that, guys? All right, so what was our total?
161.16.
Yes.
161.16.
What's that? Is that a bad number? 161.16. That's only 2 sixes, Mom. No, that's 2.
Oh, but it's 3 1s.
Anyway, so yeah, y'all owe us $100 for making me go to TJ-MAXX because I literally could not stop picking stuff out. But we actually got a lot of stuff. When you think about it, like, we got a lot of stuff. So, and it was all like name brand stuff. So I think we did pretty good. Oh my god, what if TJ-MAXX sponsored me?
And what about
TJ-MAXX hit me up so I can do a huge haul video. Sponsor me, sponsor your girl.
and
That's what I need. That's the type of
what
content.
was your boy's name there? What was her name?
Destiny?
Destiny was very nice.
Yeah, she was really nice. She was so cute, really cool. Hey, love bugs. So I kind of cheated. It's like 3 days later. I didn't end up going out that night. I know y'all voted for me to go out and drink mixed drinks, but I didn't go out that night. But I'm currently going to a bar right now with my friend and my mom. My mom plays pool there. So I figured, you know what, this kind of counts. I'm a couple days late, but it counts. So yeah, I will see you when we're in the bar, at the club, getting fucked up. I got my people with me. So I got my second vodka and cranberry. I forgot to film me drinking the first one. So I'm drinking mixed drinks. We are currently playing pool. Serena already hit the 8-ball in. So technically I already won, but I'm gonna keep playing just to play.
I'm still a good sport.
Brittany in the brown. She's going for a striped. What is that? Maroon? Stripe 15. Stripe 15? Stripe 15. Brittany's going. She's going. Oh, you did? I didn't get it.
Wow, I gave you the perfect fucking shot. Oh my god, I'm so mad.
Did you get that? Oh my god.
No, you didn't. Oh my god, no, you didn't. Just fucking win. I made
Look
it.
at you, Britt.
I made it. Okay, love bugs. So I am currently home now and I'm ready for bed. That's the end of this video. I had so much fun filming this. I love the fact that y'all really like got me out doing things with my day instead of just staying home and filming all day long. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below on if you want me to do another video like this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, love bugs.